Hello, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use subtotal function in Excel, which is an inbuilt function where you can do many calculations by using this particular function, such as average of certain range, or sum of the values, or count number of cells, or do any other calculations as per the requirement. So here it goes. I'm going to name this as total, another one as subtotal. I'm going to sum up the total sales, so equal to sum, control shift down arrow, close the parentheses and hit enter. You got the total value. Now I'm going to use a subtotal function equal to subtotal. So over here it says returns the subtotal in a list or database. So over here we have two arguments, which is function num and ref1. So the reference. So over here the function num says that is the number 1 to 11 that specifies as a summary function for the subtotal. So you will be having a certain numbers to specify what actually you want to do. So to get a bit more clarity about it, click on the learn more option and you can see that function num includes hidden rows. We have two options over here. So function num includes hidden rows and function num ignores hidden rows. So including hidden rows means sometimes in the database we will be seeing hidden rows or cells or values. Even those are included, even though if you hide it, whenever you use a subtotal function, and if you use 1 to 11 number, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11, if you use these numbers, even those hidden cells or values or rows are added up. If suppose you have used 101 102 or so on till 111, it ignores the hidden rows. So whatever you have hidden the rows or values or cells, that would be ignored. It won't be included. So one is for the, so if you use one number for the function num, then you're saying that do the calculation of an average function for total sales. If you use 2 for the function num, you're saying that count the number of cells. So here it goes like 3 is for count A, 4 is for maximum, 5 is for minimum, and so on it goes. As of now, I'm going to sum up the total sales. So I'm going to use the number 9, and it says for the sum function. Where it comes to the reference, so for the reference you need to select the range, like on what basis you want the subtotal, on what basis you want to sum up. You will be selecting a certain range. So on what basis you want to sum up? So it is asking you, give me the reference so that I can sum up or count or do an average or do or show you the maximum number or minimum number. So this is the info of this is the info of two arguments. over here. So over here I'm going to use 9 because I want the sum function to be used in the subtotal function. So 9 is for sum function, comma, and this would be the range. Control Shift down arrow, close the parentheses and hit enter. So as you can see, you got the same value. It's just the difference is that you don't have the currency and commas. So over here we have east and north division, and I'm going to use filter option over here. We have east division and north division. So I want only the east division. So when we click on apply, the subtotal is updated. So whenever we use the subtotal function and whenever you change in a database or in a list, the values get updated. So when I click again, or if I do change, if I click on north as well as on east and click on apply, you can see the value got changed. So whenever we use a subtotal function, it gets updated up, and you can do whatever the calculations you want to as per the requirement. So that's it. This is how it ends over here. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.